Let's try to do this question. What we have, give an example of a matrix A and B such that AB equal to 0. Now listen, here order of the matrix is not fixed. If the order of the matrix is not fixed, I'll take the second order matrix. I'll have 2 cross 2 order matrix. Okay, so suppose if I am choosing a matrix as the 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0, can you say that this is not null matrix? Yes. If I choose B equal to like 0 1 0 0, okay, 0 1 0 0. Now if you look at the matrix A and matrix B, that is not null matrix. But if you take the product of AB, if you find out the product of AB, suppose 0 1, so not 1 0 0 1 0 is there. What about the next we have here? We have 0 1 0 0. Now if you take the product of the AB, the first row, first column, you will get 0. The first row, second column, you will get 0. Here also. After that, the second row, first column, just you have to change a little bit here. Okay, don't take the 1 here. Instead of taking 1, take 1 here and take 0 here. Okay, so suppose this is the 0 and this is the 1. Then the first row, first column 0. First row, second column is 0. Then first row, so second row, first column. Second row, first column is what? Basically 0. Then second row, second column. Second row, second column is also 0. So you can say that here we will get the AB as a null matrix. But if we talk about A is not here null matrix and B is not here null matrix. Okay. So this will be the answer for this question. But it is not a unique answer for we can say that we will get here. एक ऐसा एक ही आंसर नहीं आ सकता है, बहुत सारे पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे कंडीशन होंगे जैसे डिफरेंट टाइप्स के मैट्रिक्स वहां पे क्या हो सकता है, मिल सकता है. ओके, सो दिस विल नॉट द यूनिक आंसर, कुछ भी आपको वहां पे मिल सकता है. ठीक है, लेकिन एक आंसर आप ये भी लिख सकते हो. गॉट इट? एवरीवन लुक एट हियर. ओके, if A and B are the square matrices, A and B are the what? Square matrices of the same order, and AB equal to 3i, and then A inverse is equal to what? So what is given here? क्या given है हमें guys? Given is here AB equal to 3i. Given is AB equal to what? 3i. The right answer. Okay, AB equal to 3i. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the A inverse. Okay, what do you have to find out? The A inverse. So if you want to find out the A inverse from here, you have to remove what? You have to remove the B. Listen, okay, ध्यान दो. क्या सपोज करो x y है इक्वल टू k है. Now I want to y और I want to suppose x. If I want to x, तो हम क्या करेंगे? तो y को डिवाइड कर देंगे यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे भी y को डिवाइड करेंगे. Yes, but division is possible in the real number, but we cannot do this operation with the what? किसके साथ नहीं कर सकते हैं? Matrices के साथ नहीं कर सकते. But we can do like this now also, कि y into y inverse equal to what? K into y inverse, ऐसा कर सकते हैं. अब ये y और ये cancel हो जाएगा, x equal to something मिल जाएगा. This is also the one method. If you want to find the A inverse, so you have to remove B. And if you want to remove any square matrix, listen, any square matrix, just any square matrix, then you have to multiply with, what? Their inverse. Okay, just a second. So क्या concept है guys? क्या मैंने बोला कि if you want to remove anil, क्या करना पड़ेगा? Multiply with the anil inverse. Simple thing. So if you want to multiply, if you want to remove any matrices, okay, make that as identity matrix. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको identity matrix बनाना पड़ेगा. For making that identity matrix, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Multiply. किससे multiply करना पड़ेगा? You have to multiply with the B inverse. But very important here. Now we have two options. The AB, okay, B inverse AB equal to 3 B inverse I ऐसा लिखूं या मैं ऐसा लिखूं AB B inverse equal to 3I B inverse. Which one I have to take or which one I have to write down there? इफ यू राइट डाउन लाइक दिस ना, फिर आपको बड़ी कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा, इसमें कुछ आपको मिलने वाला नहीं। ऑर्डर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस। इनवर्स का जब आपको प्रूफ करा था, ए इनवर्स ए बी इनवर्स इक्वल टू बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स, याद है आपको? वहां पर ऑर्डर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था। तो ऑर्डर यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा। ओके, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा। जस्ट सेकंड, गिव मी अ सेकंड गाइस। We will not consider this term because we want to remove b, so I have to multiply b inverse with this side. Okay, किस साइड में मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। और यदि आप इस साइड मल्टीप्लाई करो तो यहाँ पे b इनवर्स मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ पे नहीं होगा बल्कि इस साइड में होगा। ओके, यदि आप लेफ्ट साइड के राइट पार्ट में यदि आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो राइट साइड के भी राइट पार्ट में आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा सेम मैट्रिक्स से। ओके, तो ऑर्डर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन मैट्रिक्स। So you have to remove this part, will not take this part. So if you want to remove b in b, तो आपको b inverse multiply करना पड़ेगा b के साथ में। और b के साथ में कैसे multiply होगा? तो I have to multiply with here. So I can write on ab b inverse equal to 3i. अभी ध्यान दो, आपने यहाँ पे क्या किया? b inverse को कहाँ पे multiply किया? राइट पार्ट जो है लेफ्ट साइड का, तो यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा? राइट साइड का राइट पार्ट में आपको b inverse को multiply करना पड़ेगा। Now फ्रॉम हियर क्या मिल गया हमको, बताओ? ai. Okay, listen, we are doing the little bit basically wrong thing. कैसे wrong thing मैं बताता हूँ। बिकॉज यहाँ से आपको a मिल जाएगा एंड फ्रॉम इफ यू विल गेट फ्रॉम a, तो आपको वहां से b इनवर्स मिल जाएगा। हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें
Sir, I took a to the right side first.
No issue.
And then from there 3i.
I got that. Oh, you are doing like this. You take this a here and that will be the a inverse. Huh? Sri, are you taking like this?
Yes sir, yes sir.
No, don't. I told you a inverse doesn't mean that 1 by a. Who told you this? A inverse doesn't mean that 1 by a. Hello, division of matrix is not possible. Do we have any operation regarding the division in the matrices? Sri, clear with this concept. A inverse doesn't mean that 1 by a. What is the A inverse means? A inverse means,
so we can't directly take it from one side to the other.
We can't, never, because if we do like that, then there will be the division of matrix will be the in operation, na? But we have the operation only what? The addition, subtraction and multiplication. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इसको रेसिप्रोकल बोलते हैं। That is not inverse. Listen, reciprocal is different thing, inverse is a different thing. आप लोगों को जो कंफ्यूजन आता है, रेसिप्रोकल इज डिफरेंट एंड द इनवर्स इज डिफरेंट। क्लियर विद दिस? आपका आंसर भले ही करेक्ट है बट दैट इज नॉट द थिंग। समझा? कैसे करना पड़ेगा अभी फिर से मैं बता रहा हूं कि आपको ए इनवर्स निकालना है तो वी हैव द आई हियर। इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई विद द ए इनवर्स हियर तो विल गेट डायरेक्टली आई इनटू इनवर्स एज ए इनवर्स। तो मैं ए इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूं, तो ए इनवर्स ए बी इक्वल टू, कैन आई राइट ऑन a inverse into 3i, a inverse into 3i. Yes, now a inverse into a, it become I into b will be equal to 3। आप बाहर ले सकते हो, मैट्रिसेस में आपको कांस्टेंट को बाहर ले सकते हो, 3 times of, so we will get a inverse into I into b is b equal to 3 times of a inverse into I is what? The a inverse. Now we have to find out the a inverse. Can I take this 3 here? So 1 by 3 times of b equal to a inverse. And this is the answer. 1 by 3 times b. 1 by 3 times b is equal to a inverse. Sri, are you clear with this? Inverse is a different thing. Reciprocal is a different thing. Yes or no?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ. Suppose आपको यदि एक मैट्रिक्स का इनवर्स निकालना है तो वहां पे क्या कहा जाता है कि if we have to find out the matrix of A, inverse of matrix A, then there exists a matrix B such that AB equal to B equal to I. That was the concept. वहां पे उस टाइप का कंसेप्ट यूज होता है। तो इनवर्स और रेसिप्रोकल को मिक्स मत करो, इसलिए आप इस तरह से नहीं लेकर के जा सकते हो। क्लियर?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I used a different method, like AB is equals to 3i, so I took 3 to the other side. So A into B by 3 is equals to I, and A into A inverse is I. So B by 3 can be written as A inverse. Does that work?
Okay, just a second. You did like this only. Just a second. Now look at this question. If A and B are the square matrices of the same order, then A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square implies that. Okay. Implies that. Okay. So what is the given we have? A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now listen, A and B are the matrices. So the A plus B will be also matrices. So A plus B का whole square को क्या लिखूंगा मैं? It will be the A plus B into, can I write on the A plus B equal to the A square plus, okay, 2AB plus B square. Okay, now after that when you multiply this, क्या मिल जाएगा? We'll get A square plus BA plus, yes, AB plus B square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now listen very carefully. BA and AB is not same in the matrices. AB and BA is not same at all in the matrices. Okay, that's why we will not add this directly. But अब यहाँ पे cancel मत करो. But if you take this part and this part of that side, तो क्या हो जाएगा वो? क्या हो जाएगा? Are we dividing this here? Are we dividing or are we subtracting here? Kunjal?
Subtracting, sir.
We are subtracting here. So we can do that. So that's why I cancel A square and B square, B square. So now, can I take this AB that side? So we'll get BA equal to 2AB minus AB. Yes. So we'll get BA equal to 2AB minus AB equal to what? The AB. And this is the right answer. So you can solve with the help of basic approach. The what I will write on the A plus B whole square. Okay. Clear with this?
Yes.
Okay, now give me a second for the next question. Look at this question. Very, very important. Okay, but there's slightly mistake we have here. Just a second, guys. I'll tell you what is the mistake. AB equal to B. Just a second. AB equal to B and BA equal to A. Yeah, this is the question, right question. If A and B are the two matrices such that A B equal to B and B equal to A, then what will be the A square plus B square? Then what will be the A square plus B square? आप लोग ट्राई करना चाहते हैं? आप ट्राई करके देखिए क्या आ रहा आंसर. The answer for this question will be the A plus B. I'll tell you the answer now. We'll look at the solution, but we don't have that much time अभी. तो ठीक है, आप एक बार ट्राई कीजिए, देखिए क्या आ रहा है. आंसर क्या आएगा? A plus B आएगा. ट्राई करके देखिए आप लोग आ रहा है क्या.